Losing weight is easier said than done for many people out there, especially when you're looking down at that scale and then realizing that you have a long way to go, which can be very discouraging to the point that many people either give up or don't even bother trying. But what if I said just aim to lose 5%? Just 5% of your current body weight to start, and that'll do you wonders. That's right, for most people, losing just 5% of your current body weight makes a huge difference. So stay tuned as I discuss the positive effects of a 5% weight loss. This is Lou from YA Strength. Don't forget to show love, subscribe, and help me grow. Let's get started. The biggest takeaway that I want everyone to get from this video is that 5% or losing just 5% of your current body weight can do a lot. And it's a great target to have when deciding to lose weight. Don't feel like you have to target and try to lose a gazillion pounds or try to get down to that high school weight in order for you to get some positive benefits of weight loss or any positive results. And here's why. Jumping right into something abruptly or very quickly can be very difficult to stick to. By example, and of course for the purposes of this video, let's take weight loss. When it comes to your weight, gradual changes seem to stick around longer. So if you lose weight at a slow pace, you are more likely to keep that weight down for a longer period of time. Whereas on the opposite end, abrupt weight loss or very quick weight loss can also just as quickly get you back to where you started in the first place. Or in other words, no progress. Now, with that said, losing 5% of your body weight will take effort and will by no means be an easy thing to accomplish if you aren't focused or serious about it. And this is because, of course, 5% can definitely add up depending on your current body weight. So let's say you are a 150 pound person. 5% of 150 pounds is 7.5 pounds. And let's say you are a 200 pound person. 5% of 200 pounds would be 10 pounds. Now let's jump higher. Let's say you are 300 pounds. 5% of 300 pounds is 15 pounds. Now, although 7, 10, or 15 pounds isn't a huge amount of weight, it's still just enough weight to be an initial target, and it will require someone to definitely focus and make a serious attempt to achieve that weight loss goal. So long story short, setting a target of 5% is definitely more attainable from an initial goal perspective than just any random old number. And more importantly, losing 5% can have all types of positive effects on your health. Best of all, you'll feel better too. Here are some 5% weight loss effects that can be great for your health and your body. The first effect is sleep. Losing just 5% of excess weight on your body can help lead to better sleep. And better sleep leads to reduced stress and more energy. Plus, getting the right amount of sleep can also help you keep the weight down, which is a big positive, especially if you're trying to lose weight. Because when you're awake or when you're not getting enough sleep, you're more likely to snack or eat in the late night hours because you're not asleep. All right, so that's one positive effect. There's also a positive effect on your joints. Excess weight can add 4 times extra pressure on your knees and other lower body joints. Now take that and couple that with inflammation, which is also caused by excess weight. This can really cause damage to your joints that adds up over time. Now, losing 5% of your body weight, and let's make believe that you're 200 pounds, and 5% of 200 pounds would be 10 pounds. Believe it or not, those 10 pounds can add so much relief to your joints. It can go a long way in reducing potentially negative impacts from those additional pressures that don't have to be there. All right, so another positive effect is increased activity. Studies show that people who lose weight also, in most cases, become more active. And it's very important to get those 30 minutes of light to moderate activity several times per week or daily if you can. And if you already do that, that's a huge positive in itself. But get this, if you're targeting to lose 5%, that goal is usually accomplished by way of excess movements and healthy eating. And losing 5% usually occurs as a result of increased activity and eating healthier foods than you were eating prior to trying to lose weight in the first place. In other words, it is more likely that you'll become more active if you're trying to lose 5% of your body weight because of what's required to achieve that goal. And there's one more positive effect that I think is very important to discuss for those who target to lose 5% of their body weight. And I think it's probably the biggest effect that can keep things going. And that positive effect is momentum. When you reach that goal and lose 5% of your body weight, it's just enough for you to build that drive to keep going. And eventually you lose 10%. Then you lose 15%, and you keep going to achieve whatever goal or end goal you set above the initial 5%. But losing that first 5%, whether it be that 7 pounds, 10 pounds, 15 pounds, or whatever 5% of your current body weight is, will make a huge difference in terms of giving you that drive to continue. And that's probably the best effect of losing 5% of your body weight. All right, so let me know what you think about some of those positive effects of 5% weight loss in the comment section below. And feel free to share some additional positive effects that may occur from losing 5% of your body weight. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. As always, thank you for watching. This is Lou from YA Strength. See you in the next video.